Holcomb Elementary School. These are our expectations. Be safe.
Be respectful.
Be responsible.
Be kind.
Holcomb Expectation Station, the playground. Learning target. I will learn the expectations for the playground.
I sure do love learning, but I also like to go outside and play with my friends. So I am super excited that it is time to learn about how we safely, respectfully, responsibly, and kindly play on the playground. Let's go outside to recess to learn with my friends the expectations for the playground.
We are all learning how to be responsible. Part of being responsible is being prepared for recess. That means it is up to me to remember my jacket before I leave my classroom and to bring it back inside after recess.
I want to play with my friends, but it is important that we all stay safe. Whether we are coming from the cafeteria or our classroom, we need to walk until we get to the places on the playground where we are allowed to run.
On the playground, there are places we can go and places we cannot go.
Only go to designated areas and follow adult directions.
At recess, we have the privilege of having different equipment like basketballs, soccer balls, rubber balls, and jump ropes.
To keep this privilege, we need to do several things.
We need to use the equipment the right way. This will help make it last the whole school year.
We need to share the equipment. This is kind and part of being good members of the Holcomb community.
And we need to put it away when we are done using it. This makes sure it is ready for the next recess and is part of being responsible. No matter where we are on the playground, we need to play by the rules of each game and location.
We also need to keep our hands and feet to ourselves so we can help each other stay safe.
This area is called the field.
We can only go on the field when a recess coach says it is open.
When we are allowed onto the field, we need to stay on the track or field.
The track is for walking, jogging, and running. So when on the track, you always need to keep moving.
We do not always agree with everyone.
Sometimes we have problems at recess.
To help us keep our problems small, we should use our problem-solving tools.
One of these tools is to rock it out.
If we need to solve a problem, we use rock, paper, scissors to help us solve the problem so we can keep the size of the problem small and get back to our game.
Remember to always use respectful and kind language at school, especially when problem solving.
Holcomb is a no place for hate school. This means we include everyone.
If someone has to join your game, you need to let them play with you.
There are lots of students at recess. To help keep myself and others safe, I need to watch where I am going.
These bark chips are here to help us keep safe and to make sure our playground doesn't turn into a slimy mud hole.
To make sure the bark chips can do their job, we need to keep them on the ground.
I really like playing on this play structure and want to make sure you know the 2 responsible ways to get off of all play areas at Holcomb.
You can slide off of the play structure on the slide or
step off of it.
Good game, Zozo. Let's keep playing while our friends show us some more playground expectations.
There are times we may need to leave the playground, like when you need to go to the bathroom. Wherever you are on the playground, make sure you have an adult's permission before leaving.
Here at Holcomb, the slides are a one-way activity. We slide out our pockets facing forward.
I'm a great climber, and on the playground, I make sure to only climb parts of the play structure that recess coaches say I may climb, and I use my hands and feet.
Swinging is
super sweet. To be sure I am able to swing, I need to swing my seat on the seat. I need to hold onto the swing with my hands. I need to face the play structure. When it is time for me to get off of the swing, I slow myself down and step off of it.
These here cones let us know how far the swings swing out. Only people who are swinging are on the swing side of the cones. If I want to turn on the swings, but they are all full, I wait at a cone. Kindergartners, first graders, and second graders slowly count to 20. When I am done counting, the person on the swing in front of the cone where I am counting gets off, and it is my turn.
If I want another turn on the swings, I go to a different swing than the one I was just on and slowly count. Third, fourth, and fifth graders count to 60. Each time I have to get off the swing to wait for another turn. I need to wait at a different swing.
Just like the swings, I sit on my pockets on the spinny seats. I only spin myself, and only one person sits on the spinny seat at a time.
Also, just like the swings, when I want a turn and all the spinny seats are being used, I wait in line and slowly count. Kindergartners, first graders, and second graders slowly count to 20. Third, fourth, and fifth graders count to 30.
The spinner has similar expectations to the swings and the spinny seat. Just like the spinny seat, I only spin myself, and only one person may use this at a time.
Like the spinny seat and swings, if I want to turn, I need to wait in line behind the log in the ground here. Just like the spinny seats, I count to 20 if I am in kindergarten, first, or second grade, and I count to 30 if I am a third, fourth, or fifth grader.
While on the spinner, I stay safe by holding on with both hands and standing on the base of the spinner with both feet. I am responsible here as everywhere else on the playground by watching out for others.
When recess is over, the recess coaches blow their whistles. When we hear the first whistle, we all freeze. This is important because it helps us all stay safe and hear adult directions. When the second whistle blows, we all line up with our class in the correct area. It is very important that we line up right away so other students can get their entire recess and so we can get to our next activity. If you are using recess equipment like a ball or jump rope, make sure you put it away after the second whistle, then line up.
Wow, that was a lot of fun learning with our friends how to be safe, respectful, responsible, and kind on the playground. Make sure to practice with your friends at your next recess. By playing by the rules and following recess expectations, I get to spend all my recess time having fun. Remember, if you need to solve a problem at recess, you can always use your problem-solving strategies. And if you need to, talk with an adult. If you are not sure about a recess expectation, ask your teacher.